Okay, here we have another EDF bootleg. Now, this is more of a repair video than a track demo video. So, basically, not running. Blank screen. Checked it all out. Found a shorting on this line here, this enable line, shorted to ground. So I traced it back to this chip. As you can see, that's been replaced. So this chip, this chip, this chip, these two. Yeah, there's many of them on that line. You can see them with the dot. They were on the same line. So first thing I did was I cut the pin, the output pin on the line driver, and the short was still on the bus. Luckily, the next chip I cut the leg on was this one. I've still got the dead one here. And if I can get my chopstick hands. So we got the enable pin and the ground pin shorted. Let's fire it on. Now this top board has no sound, and we've seen this track loop before, but there we go. Just a little video on fault finding, and maybe that happens commonly on these, I don't know. This is only the second one I've seen, and this had a different fault to the first. Anyway, yeah, check your shorts, check your line driver first, and then check your input pins secondly, and of course replace the shorted chip. Sweet.